Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on another amazing Python tutorial. Today we're going to be diving into Python functions. Functions help us write clear, reusable, and organized code. By the end of the video, you'll understand what functions are, why we use them, and how to create them, and also how to make your own custom functions. Plus, I'll give you a few pro tips and a challenge to try on your own. Let's jump in. So what exactly is a function? A function is like a mini program inside your larger program. It performs a specific task. In Python, we use these built-in functions like print, or or we we can also write our own functions to make our code more modular. For example, when we write print hello, we're using a built-in print function, but what if we want to make our own? Well, that's where functions come in. To create a function in Python, we use the keyword def, and then you write the name of your function. Let's just say greet, and then put parentheses and a colon, and then just write print and put whatever code you want in, like let's just say print hello. And then after you write the code which you want inside your function, you you get outside of the code, and you basically call it. And the way you call code is you just write the name with parentheses. This will then see print hello. But what if we want our functions to say hello to a specific person? That's where parameters come in. Parameters are things like let's say name. This is going to be our parameter, and then name. Alright, so basically, when we're calling the function, when we're calling the function, if we write, let's just say John, something like that. Oops. John. Now, this will basically send the name John over here, and then we'll use John right here. It will basically send this code over here, which then goes here, and then prints hello John. See? Basically passes John into function. Alright, now you can also have multiple parameters. Let's try a function that adds two different numbers. Let's do def add num, do a and b, and then result will equal to a plus b, and then print result. Oops. Print result. And then let's go here and call the function, add number, and let's do 3 and 6 basically. Yeah. So we should get 9. See, perfect. So far we just printed results, but sometimes we want the function to return a value so we can use it later. Doing that, let's try something. Def multiply AB and let's say, oh, oops, wait, no, return A times B, and then out here we will do product is equal to multiply 4, 5, and then print product. When a function returns a value, it sends that value back to where the function was called. So this multiply. Oh, my fault. Multiply. Yep. Multiply. Now it should work. Okay, 20. See, perfect. 5 times 4, 20. Do you know you could also set default parameters? That way, if the user doesn't provide a value, Python will use the default. Such as if we go back, let's just do the same thing. Def greet, and then name is equal to, let's just put friend for now, and then print hello and name. Now, if we just leave this blank, it will print just hello friend, because name is equal to friend. But if we, let's say we do Alex, it will still print, it'll print hello Alex instead of hello friend. See? Let me show you. So yeah, so if no name is provided, the function will use friend as the default. One important thing to remember is scope. Variables created inside a function are only available inside that function. So if we do something like, let's say, scope, yeah, sure. And then let's say message is equal to I'm in this function, and then we print message. This will print the message, but after we call the function. See, it prints I am in this function. But let's say if we put the same thing, print message, this will not work, because in this scenario, the message, there is nothing called there is no variable called message because message is only inside of this function. After this, the function is closed off and like it cannot use the same variables. So it's just going to show an error. See, like name message is not defined because there is nothing named message in for this. All right. So why are functions so useful? They help us avoid repeating code, make our programs more readable, and allow us to build complex systems step by step. Functions make your code easier to manage and debug and more organized. Here's a quick challenge for you. Try writing a function that takes a list of numbers and returns the largest number. Drop your solution in the comment and I'll check them out. And that wraps up our deep dive into Python functions. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow coders. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next and how you did with the challenge.